Hi everyone, we are Group Trial and Error, and this is our app called Wasteless. So we built this app because one few days ago, or usually this happens to me, is that I go into my fridge and I see that I have something in the fridge that I'm not going to eat or it's close to expiry. And we all know that there are people in the streets and just in general who are struggling to have meals on the table. So this is how the app was inspired. We decided to make an app which is going to be able to helpful for us on a daily basis, so we can just upload the food that we have that we're not going to eat, we don't like, or is closer to expiry, and have other people look at it. And if they want it, they can come and get it from us, or we can connect ourselves with them somehow, and we can just exchange food items, no matter what type of food it is. So that's how this was created. So I'll go through a small demo of the app itself. This is a website. So this is our landing page. It's just a how-to and FAQs and everything. And then if I go, so I'll log out first just to show you. This is our demo. This is our login page. And if I log in here, we have Bcrypt and everything for making sure that everything is authenticated. And then you can log in. When you log in, you get a food entry form, so we can choose a food entry item. Let's say garlic, and then you can enter it. These are all mandatory things you have to include. I'm not sure what garlic salt is for, but here you can add so the location that you're at, and this is a review, and then you submit it. And then, so this is the one part we weren't able to fix. So in this page, you're basically supposed to see things that you have entered. So if you have entered 5 items, it's going to show up here. And if someone has claimed them or someone you've given them away, then those are going to be moved to the claim section. These are all coming from a MongoDB database that we have connected to our server. And then if I go into feed, so here you can find all the items that are added to here by multiple different users that are added to a database, and shows up here. So if you really want something, like these are all added by me, as you can see, these are by someone else. If you want something to get something from here, you can just click on claim. Unfortunately, this doesn't work completely for us, so I'm not going to be clicking on claim because it's just going to break the code. But if you click on claim, you're going to be taken to a chat box where you can talk to this person and then ask them about information on the location or what the thing is, or details about the food item that are not included in the carts. So that's it for the demo. I'm going to hand it over to my teammate Mehek, who can talk you through some of the back end.
Hello everyone. For this one project, we implemented authentication using Bcrypt and JWT. So how it basically works is we have got API endpoints for the food post to post the food post, to get the food post for the feed, or to and to even update those food posts. Then we have got endpoints for the user to register as a user. We are using post a user, and then to then we are using post for login as well. Apart from that, we have get endpoints too. For the chat box as well, we have got the API endpoint, but for that we have to implement the WebSocket IO library to make it work properly. We haven't done that as of yet, but we of course will be looking into it in the future. And regarding the overall working of this, it is working. It is an MVP for now, and we just hope to scale it further to make it work properly in the coming future. Thank you.